What we're going to talk about today, and for several days actually, is about the organisation of the future. Now, to jump into thinking about the organisation of the future is just a huge, complex issue. So I've broken it down actually into 3 stages here, and they're here in this slide. So first of all, the core issues, that the way people actually want to go about work has shifted dramatically since the day I joined work. So I can summarize that in a thing that I call the triad. So Vera, if you just flip the triad up. Okay, the triad is basically that we're getting to the state where people want purpose in their work. And that's a very big word, purpose, and we'll get into that in a lot more detail. But basically they want engagement in their purpose, they want power to act in a purpose, and they need to sustain trust that it's consistent, okay? So that's the huge change that's taken place. And if we go back to the original slide, what we've got in this, the problem is that in trying to respond to that purpose, which obviously gives you better economics as well, that we're actually then changing from command and control and authority and accountability towards very ill-defined words like responsibility and participation. And we're getting into, I think, a hybrid situation where we're neither quite fish nor fowl, and we're actually not delivering on our intention. So to put it another way, we have fantastic aspirations to create organizations that make the triad real, but we are frankly not getting anywhere near those aspirations. And we've got a hybrid that's a mixture of our aspirations and the old command and control. So that's the problem we got. So the solution to that is to work with you and actually work through the components of what creates the triad in terms of its working. So this is the start of a series of blog stroke videos that actually go through a process to actually see what the organisation of the future might look like, to see where we are now and what the organisation of the future would look like. So that's what this is all about. Now, that is a very sort of theoretical way of viewing the world. And I want to assure you that this isn't theoretical. My career has been from the bottom to the top, to the top to the bottom. I've actually ranged through the whole thing. So I'd like to go through some experiences with you to show you that that this, what we're going to talk about is based in real live experience. It's not just concepts, and how powerful the concepts are when they actually put in place.